Hey main characters, welcome to another vlog. I'm just here. I've been laying in bed pretty much the whole day. And there's nothing wrong with having a lazy day, girl. Anyways, I just wanted to come on here on the vlog. I am documenting my journey of becoming her. But yeah, I need to get up because I have a few things I need to go do. I wanted to go to get my medicine from the CVS pharmacy. And then I wanted to go to Bible study. Yeah, Bible study. And I'm an introvert. I don't really like going out like that, but I'm pushing myself to go out and do something instead of lounging around all day. And yeah, so let's get ready. First thing first is let me get my hair together. It's a little fuzzy, so I'm just gonna use whatever Eco gel I have left. I need to get a new. I really only have enough for like 2 or 3 days. I gotta get a new jug. This is my signature style. This is bun. Well, for now, my birthday's coming up in a couple of weeks. I might just get a wig or something to wear for my birthday. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm on my way out to Bible study. I went to CVS that was in Target and picked up my prescription. So yeah. Okay, y'all, here goes the church. I'll let you guys know how it is when I get in. Hey guys, I'm back from church. Church was okay. It was okay. I'm still looking around for a church that really fits me, okay? So I don't know if I'm gonna go back to that Bible study or not, but it was a like a nice little thing to get out and stuff like that. Other than that, you know, I don't really have a lot going on tonight, and I didn't really do a lot today. I just want to stay consistent on my daily vlogs. I might miss some days sometimes, but I'm gonna try my best to post almost every day, okay? But anyways, thank you for watching. I hope God blesses you for tuning in. Like this video, subscribe, and keep up with me on all my social medias. I'll link my Instagram below. Bye. Did I say like and subscribe already? If I didn't, like and subscribe. Bye.